Good morning, students. Today our session is from the lesson Acid, Base and Salts. Our topic is metal carbonate reacts with acid. The learning outcome for the session is students, that is you are all able to understand terms such as reaction between metal carbonate and metal hydrocarbonate react with acid. Don't worry that what you are going to see metal and metal carbonates. Students will identify the compound which will undergo this reaction. That is, you are able to identify the compound which will undergo this type of reaction. Students acquire the skills to perform activities using sodium carbonate. Today we are going to see the activity based on the sodium carbonate, that is formula is Na2CO3 with hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Students will be able to identify the gas evolved during the reaction. You people are able to identify the gas evolved during this reaction, and you can able to test the gas evolved. Let us see what is the meaning of metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonates. First, make it clear what is a metal carbonate and what is a metal hydrogen carbonate. This is very important. Since you have studied during the 9th standard, no matter, today I just recycling Na2CO3, it is sodium carbonate. How comes it's Na is 1 plus, CO3 is 2 minus, put the 2 down and 1 crisscross Na2CO3. This is known as metal carbonate because sodium is a metal. This is CO3 stands for carbonate. So metal with carbonate is known as metal carbonate. Likewise, sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is known as metal hydrogen carbonate. It is also known as metal bicarbonate. So again, Na plus 1, HCO3 minus 1, 1 plus 1 minus NaHCO3. So it is a metal hydrogen carbonate. Now you people come to know what is a metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Now our reactions deals with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, whatever it may be, reacts with acid, gives us metal salts plus carbon dioxide plus water. This is our topic. How this reaction is going to take place, we are going to see. The definition for this reaction is when a metal carbonate reacts with an acid to give out, that is gives us carbon dioxide gas, water and metal salts. Now the chemical reaction sodium carbonate, it is known as metal carbonate Na2CO3 plus HCl hydrochloric acid on reacting gives us sodium chloride, which is also known as metal salt. Why? Because metal from the base of a cation and anion part is from the chloride. Again I repeat you here, this Na is from the cation part of the base, Cl is from the anion part of the acid. These both are combined forms a salt which is known as metal salt. Along carbon dioxide gas is evolved and water is formed as a solution. How to test the gas evolved is carbon dioxide. Now you are going to see the activity.
Now let's do an interesting experiment. We take very little sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate in 2 test tubes. Now we add little diluted hydrochloric acid in them. We pass the gas produced in each case through lime water, that is calcium hydroxide solution. We will get white precipitate of calcium carbonate. This means the gas produced is carbon dioxide. This chemical reaction in the first test tube is represented as Na2CO3, which is sodium carbonate, plus 2 HCl gives 2 NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Now the produced carbon dioxide then reacts with lime water to give calcium carbonate and water. This is represented by the chemical equation CO2 plus CaOH whole 2 gives CaCO3 plus H2O. You know, after passing little more carbon dioxide, the precipitate would vanish as calcium carbonate would get converted into soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is also known as calcium bicarbonate, which is CaHCO3 whole 2. And in the second test tube, sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate, reacted with acid to produce salt, that is NaCl, water and CO2. This is represented by the chemical equation NaHCO3 plus 2HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2, and here NaHCO3 stands for sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate. Here again, the produced carbon dioxide reacted with lime water to give white precipitate of calcium carbonate and water. After passing little more carbon dioxide, the precipitate would vanish as calcium carbonate would get converted into soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is also known as calcium bicarbonate, which is CaHCO3 whole 2. So what can we conclude? We can say acids produce carbon dioxide along with salt and water when they react with metal carbonates or hydrogen carbonates. So to sum up what we learnt about acid and bases today, when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, it gives the corresponding salt, carbon dioxide gas and water. For example, Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. That is, sodium carbonate reacted with hydrochloric acid to give a salt, which is sodium chloride along with carbon dioxide and water. That's all for now. Bye-bye.